I'm fully ready to be a bride, only in front of the camera. Normally, a Maharashtrian bride wears paithani, but I've chosen a Banarsi because I love the color. Actually, Subarna Rai Chaudhary, who's done the clothes for this campaign, she's picked up some gorgeous colors for the campaign. I feel like taking all the saris back home.
From the time we've signed all her jewelry, whatever she wears in a public appearance is being provided by us.
If you see all the top actresses in the Bollywood industry today, all have something similar which each can be replaced with each other. But Vidya was something which only Madhuri Dixit could have replaced. But we thought we want someone who's new to the market. She's the most versatile actress, I think.
I feel like a princess in a fairy tale. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but gold, traditional gold, the Indian gold jewelry is a woman's best friend. And gold, yeah, I don't know, I have a thing for gold more than diamonds. Look at this. It's so intricate, but every detail is so visible.
With each generation spanning 132 years, we see the changes happening in the jewelry business as well.
अभी 6th generation में अगर आप डैडी को पूछेंगे तो he is still for gold jewelry. उनके लिए वो heavy chunky gold jewelry. और younger generation है जो हमारा generation है, that is more for diamond jewelry.
The younger generation is least bothered with the buybacks, and the seniors are bothered with the right way of investing, so they would prefer raw gold.
I actually come from a place called Palakkad, which is on the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So we don't wear only Kerala jewelry or Tamilian jewelry. We have our own unique patterns, our own traditions. My mom on a regular basis wears what we call the tod, which is a diamond flower. It's a 7 stone flower, and it's just gorgeous. Every self-respecting South Indian woman wears that.
In Ranka Jewelers, you will get jewelry in gold, you will get jewelry in platinum, jewelry in gold studded with diamonds, gold studded with semi-precious stones, gold studded with pearls. It's endless. It's actually a jewelry mall.
I'm associated with a brand that stands for a certain standard, a certain respectability besides beauty. I must say I'm proud to be associated with them. This change really makes me feel very regal. You know, that soft colored chiffon sari with diamonds and pearls. Really nice. Loads of jhumkas. I even have jhumkas worth 5 rupees that I've picked up on the Bombay local train, on the Mumbai local trains, and I've got then all kinds. But I love my jhumkas. There are days when I just want to lay it out and just look at all of them and feel completely like a woman.
Ranka Jewelers में we've made a tradition that during the festive season we owe something to the customer. Maybe in the form of a draw, maybe in the form of a fixed gift. This year also we've planned a special gift for every purchase.
The best part about our store is we offer an 100% buyback to our clients. So that's the key USP for our clientele. So they can enjoy the jewelry, and when they need money they can encash it and again buy it again.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, there's beauty in us all.
This time what we have done is we have selected 10 different pieces, and based on that we have selected all the costumes. So it has given a new dimension to the entire photo shoot what we have done.
we wanted a slightly different look to the campaign. So we've used a lot of lens flare creatively. If you study Vidya's face and I've shot her for years, the most flattering images of hers usually are actually in the most diametrically opposite light from here. Instead of cutting her face with shadows, I'm cutting it with highlights. So there's strong highlights coming from the left and right, and when she turns left and right, it does the same thing but in reverse. And all the lights are high key, and the whole look is fresh and white and white.
I love jewelry shoots. This time it's a more traditional shoot and it's very dreamy. I'm in another zone.